Before using the AC, the room temperature will likely be higher than the desired 24 degrees centigrade, potentially causing discomfort, especially in warmer climates. If the AC is already running at a lower temperature, it will be consuming more energy to maintain that lower temperature. If the AC is off, it will consume no energy. The room may feel warm, humid, or stuffy, leading to potential discomfort and affecting productivity or sleep quality. After using the AC at 24 degrees centigrade, the AC will work to cool the room down to 24 degrees centigrade, providing a comfortable and consistent temperature. 24 degrees centigrade is often recommended as an energy efficient temperature, meaning the AC won't need to work as hard to maintain the desired temperature compared to lower settings. By using a 5-star AC at 24 degrees centigrade, you can save on electricity bills compared to running the AC at lower temperature, as each degree lower